Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the first look on the Style Showdown game mode. So basically, you'll need a minimum of 6 players. This is the lobby, and we're just going to wait until it starts. It is easier with 6 players only. Okay, this girl is telling me not to play because I have VIP. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm not going out though because I need to show y'all. So this is what the Style Showdown stage looks like, but if you've just played now, just press skip. Honestly, people will get mad at you if you don't press skip. So this is the lobby, the other lobby, I guess. Oops. Okay, I suck at lobbies, but I'm just going to turn on like the fast walk because you'll need it. It's only 3 minutes. This, you can buy an idol for immunity. So for instance, in this round, you buy like an idol and somebody votes you out, or just this game particularly, you'll be safe. I'll skip because everyone's telling me to skip, but if not, this is it. Welcome to Style Showdown. As you all know, my name is Lana and I'll be your host. In this cutting-edge game of fashion survival, you'll be playing against the fiercest competitors to flaunt your styling abilities through challenges. Okay, come on. Okay, I think somebody skipped or something. But the round theme is tennis match. Okay, so you'll only have 3 minutes to complete your outfit. I'll just do one round because I don't have all the time in the world. I'll just do the custom vase that I have and I wear every single day of my life. I'm going to use this one because it's cutesy. I'll do like white bow. And then for the bangs, I think I might do this one. I don't know. What about if we used this one? Okay, cute. Let's use that. And then hopefully, okay, they do have the tennis racket. I'd be so mad if they didn't. What color is like the tennis ball? It's like lime green. Actually, don't know what color it is because I don't play tennis, but I am going to use that kind of color palette. Let's see, tennis match. Oh, her outfit kind of slays. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna color it white. I know it's like super basic or whatever, but I like that. And then I need shoes. Okay, so I'm gonna use these ones. Okay, cute. For the outfit, should I do this? Okay. It's mid at best, but where's that hat? I'm trying to find that hat. It's not here. Where is it? Hello? Hello? Okay, but this is the first look on Style Showdown. I'm not going to stall you any further. It's just like you've got to vote. Okay, actually, I'll wait. Where? Oh my god. Am I blind or what? Like, it's literally there. I really like her top though. I wanted to copy her, but like at the same time, maybe not, you know? Should I add this underneath? No. Absolutely not. Is there anything else to wear? Alright, maybe that. I wish there was like a toggle on the tennis, but here we are. Okay, good enough, I guess. Okay, this is me. Let's do sideways pose. Hey. All right. Okay. Cute. Don't really like the hair and like the color combo. Like, why does she have her nails on? That's the question. Okay, I really like this pattern. But now that I look at it, I don't know anymore. I don't know about it now. Okay, giving base. I don't like the necklace with it. But I'm not saying I have like the best outfit here as well, so maybe they're more creative than me. Maybe I need to step outside my comfort zone and have like 5 colors clashing together, you know? Oh, there's only us? All right. So to vote, here. I don't know how many I can vote. I can only vote 2 or 3. I think 2, because there's only like 5 people here. Yeah, I can only vote 2. I don't think I'm getting voted because I have custom makeup and VIP, but I don't care because won the prize already. So I'm gonna just vote these. You know what? I'll actually vote her because I don't like the hair. It's too formal. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.